Hey everyone, this is Miss Granato. I just noticed some people were having issues submitting their Google Slides from last week, your goals presentation, and this week. So I'm going to run through how you guys submit through Schoology, not share in Google Slides. So I'm going to share my screen with you, and we're going to walk through how you submit. Okay, so if you're in Schoology, I'm going to scroll down, and again, I'm going to start with last week's assignment from last Monday on the goals that you were supposed to submit to me because a lot of you didn't. So I'm going to click on week 2, and I'm going to go to Monday because that's when I posted the assignment. Okay, and then Monday is where the Google presentation for goals is. But just as a quick side note, you were supposed to watch the video for setting goals and then write a response to the discussion question. If you haven't done that, make sure you go back and do that. So I'm going to click on Monday. Okay, and here's where a lot of people are getting confused. So you're going to read the description or the directions, okay? And all you're going to do is read it. So I'm going to go to the top and I'm going to click on My Document. Okay, from here, you're going to see a blue menu bar at the top. It's going to say Submit and it's going to say Edit. If you give your computer just a second or if you scroll down a little bit, it's going to load the presentation. Now you're still in Schoology at this point. So if I need to go back in and fill this out because I didn't do it from last week, what you first need to start with is you need to click Edit at the top. So I'm going to click Edit. If you notice at the top, it's now creating a new tab. I'm going to move me down. It created a new tab in Google Docs, or sorry, Google Slides. And so what I did is I just navigated from Schoology and I went into Google Slides. Now this gives me the ability to go through and read and edit the presentation. Make sure you read the directions for this one. When you're done, here's what you need to do. We are going to go back to the top and you're going to go back to Schoology. Okay, so previously we had clicked the share button. We're not going to do that anymore. You're going to submit your assignments through Schoology. So I need you to go back to the top and you're going to click on the tab that says Schoology. When you are done editing your Google presentation, you're going to click Submit Assignment. It's going to ask, are you really sure? Yes, I'm really sure. I'm going to submit the assignment. Okay, that submits it. I'm having a little bit of an internet issue, which sometimes you guys may have the same thing. Normally when you click on it, it will submit and it'll say, yay, you submitted. Okay, that submits it through Schoology. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to Schoology. And we're going to do this week's assignment. So some of you are still having that same issue. So I'm going to go all the way back. Go back one more because I need to go into week 3 now. Okay. So now I'm going to go underneath week 2 and I'm going to click on week 3 for social studies. All right, you're going to see our checklist for this week. Some of you, when you did your motivational presentations, did an outstanding job, and I'm going to use some of your slides for examples. And then I'm going to go down to Tuesday. So that was the work you were supposed to complete this Tuesday. So I'm going to click on the Tuesday folder. Okay, again, I'm going to click on the directions or the first link. Google Slides on why study history. Now I want you to do the same process as we did through the goals. So again, here's the directions. I'm going to read the directions. I'm going to go up to my document. Okay, so again, you're going to get that same blue bar at the top where it has submit and edit. And sometimes your presentation takes a minute to load. Okay, and here you go. So now you can open Why Study History. If I look at the top, I gotta move me down again. I'm gonna click this edit button. Okay, again, that's gonna open a new tab at the top where I can edit in Google Slides. So it took me out of Schoology and it took me into Google Slides so I can go through and edit my presentation. So again, I'm going to reiterate, do not click the share button. Do not click that. So I'm going to go back into Schoology, and when I'm done editing, so everything that I type in Google Slides is going to automatically save into Schoology because it's the same program you're typing in Google Slides. So when I'm done, I'm going to click Submit. And it's going to ask me again if I'm sure. You're going to click Yes, Submit. Okay, and it's going to say you submitted it. Good job. That is how I need you to submit your Google Slides from last week and this week. Okay, if you need help, jump on my Zoom meeting. So if you guys noticed in Schoology, I posted a link for you to to join in my Zoom hours. So I have them in the morning and in the afternoon. And if you need help, I can walk you through this process. Okay. So all you need to do is, if you need help, click on this Zoom meeting and it'll direct you on how to log into Zoom. I think most of you are familiar with it, and so you should be okay. Here's the link, here's my ID and the passcode to get in. It tells you my office hours. If you truly are struggling and you need a one-on-one session, I will schedule you in for the middle of the day. Otherwise, please, when you submit your Google Slides, go through Schoology. Do not go through Google Slides. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.